Hello guys, I found some weird glitch or bug Minecraft Java Edition on mobile. I use Podium Launcher to play this version. Let's go. You will see right here. It's very weird, bro. Wait. Let me get my FPS high. Hope Mojang fix this. Let's go. Let me get my FPS high so that it can run smoothly. Now. Look, bro. This is 1.21. You will hear some dirt breaking. Wait. Yes, bro. I didn't break anything. There's something breaking it, bro. I know it's a bug because Herobrine is not real. Herobrine was just a rendering glitch from alpha version Minecraft. This what it sounds like, but bro, hear this, bro. It's very weird. See? Bro, I found the stronghold in this video. I found good structure in this world, bro. Now I wanna quit. Now I wanna delete this world because of this. It's very creepy. Hope Mojang fix this, bro. It's very creepy. It's like I'm being watched when there is no one watching. This is very weird. It's just very weird. Oh no. No. Oh shit, bro. Escape. Bro, come here. Where are you going, stupid? No. Where are you going, bro? Not in my house. Bro, look at my farm. Look at this hard work here, bro. It's to be all nothing because of that bug that is very creepy. It's like someone is hope I don't see anything. It's very creepy. Why did you escape? By the way guys, I'm in mobile. I use Podium Launcher to run this thing. It's not very smooth because of the recording, but when I do not record, it's very smooth. But sometimes the FPS drop. It will regain. I will regain the 47 FPS again. It is stupid. No, I can trading it, bro. Let's go. Trade for emeralds since I need enchanted this is very quick. Getting stuck in the I'm running. Wait, wait, wait. No. Why is the bug? FPS. Bro, I'ma get this XP. It's like here, bro. Yes, here. This is what I need. Wait. Let me hear it again. Let me hear it again. Bird breaking again. Feels weird, bro. It's like what? The fuck was that, man? The fuck was that? Who drink the potion? Oh hell no, man. Who drink the potion? Bro, I'ma end my recording, bro. Wait. Fuck, bro. I'ma delete this world. What the fuck was that? Bro, my heart's breathing right now. Like, I don't want this. No, bro. No. Oh hell no, man. What the hell was that? Someone drink a potion. No, I'ma delete this all. That's creepy, man. What the hell was that, man? I don't know, guys, but someone please tell me what the hell just happened.